Everywhere we go there, everything what it is. I want to boom sweep on the ground. Ireland, a 15 and Jamaica. Missy man a use and a try stop one. Missy family stop family don't sponsor. Man left down and guess what? Help me see it all. Lose my things. Talk to me, them just came up and now I am. I bet nothing about the same. You know which one more to let me sing now.
Alright family, welcome back to our next episode of the Yard Jam TV channel. You know we give you daily reggae and dancehall updates. So in this episode we have performance highlights from Chronic Law Boss himself. Yeah man, alongside Jashii over there in Orlando, Florida. Sister them have a recent performance. We're gonna check out a few highlights and a few clips from that performance. In addition, we have Nhance run a Boom Sundays. Yeah man, Nhance shell with the place man, the whole ground bully beef. We're gonna check it out. In addition, we have Vybz Kartel sitting down with Pitchfork, explaining his decision to become a dancehall superstar. So stay tuned people, check it out.
Our first time in our place, good night people. In our place, all the life we just stop with the woman. Hear it now. How far we are going to come from a people we used to run. We can't tell you that brownie. All our hustlers them, all our youngsters them. Watch his style now. True. Nobody now come round you for help on the range for the love of women. Don't find this in a soul of a friend. Can't say cry out the race. We do what I mean. There's me who's surprised me a friend man. And the fellas say come and say me know. Mama don't just know the way you talk it in. Because the master me join complete. Love blind and me not switch. Let me test them now. Watch out, level, jump. Different come up and that's how my mind stay from love me fire. Someone how we run the expensive. I want you. You can't clean on your mouth still. Watch out. The badness so crazy long. I mean every jeans I carry this long fine. Ireland but then them see ya. Me and my big gun back was wrong. Hey, watch out now. True. Everywhere we go there. Everything what it is. I want to boom sweep on the ground. So them just go spend some nice and I got up like this right now. Orlando, I'm Mr. Sentana. You come here, she not see nothing that she ain't giving. Let me into them. But tell them me no left my dog when we roll over the market. When I want dance, but me ever want dance. Anyway, what's his name? No broke man is every day, but she collect again. What I know, that time, Missy man a use and a try stop one. Missy family stop family don't sponsor. Man left down and guess what? Help me see it all. Lose my things, we feel empty. That me man know if we shall be can't tell him that. The young man got a fire that killer. We not search for love. I'm just afraid of the grave when we see many stars. We expect to every time.
Alright, Yard Jam TV, so that was Chronic Law Boss himself alongside First Nation boss Jashii. Yeah man, the two artists them were at the stage over there in Orlando, Florida. Yeah man, good performance, good highlights. Love to see the energy, love to see the unity amongst the two artists them. Yeah man, it's a good look. And if you look closely as well, you can see that one of Skeng producers are roll with the man them too. So that just show you say the link now man, the link big. You see me? Yeah man, it's a good look man by the young youth them. Love to see when them get the stage show them and work them and deal it proper. You see me? Good performance, good practice as well for the bigger stage shows. You get me? Yes man, I love the performance, love the set. So we have the next clip now. We're gonna check out Spragga Benz. Yeah man, him have a recent issue with the performance he had over there in the UBS Arena at Aidonia's 20th anniversary show. Never get to perform. Can see that the general upset, the general feel away. So just look at a short, look a brief explanation of why he didn't perform at the stage show. Yeah man, you can see that the DJ really upset man, cause him did a prepare for the show. Can see that he was really upset that he didn't get to grace the stage. He just released a video not saying a word, basically just silent in the video and just caption it. Caption reads, "My apologies goes out to the fans who came out to see me at UBS Arena. I am very disappointed as I was ready and prepared and my DJ was on stage." So that shows you that Spragga's DJ was already on the stage awaiting his arrival for his performance. So they already prepared, had a set in mind of the track list that they're gonna go out there with and shell the place. But to circumstances, they weren't able to have that done. So it says that I won't cast blame, although I do hope the promoters can shed more light as to what really happened and why. So to this day, Spragga Benz don't really know exactly why I never get for grace the stage. Alright, yeah, Jam TV. So next up now we have Vybz Kartel sitting down with Pitchfork. Yeah man, for a local small interview. We have a few highlights here you can check out.
Hey Pitchfork, what's up guys? This is Vybz Kartel and my Perfect 10 album is My Weapon by Ninja Man. It's old school reggae dancehall. It was the album that made me want to be an artist. Like as a kid, when I heard that album, I was like, this is the job that I want and this is the job that I'm gonna get. I bought that album, I think when I was going from school, I bought it on Orange Street in downtown Kingston. I definitely remember that because those days you had to save your money to get the vinyl album, had to go to the record store. Yeah, so I definitely remember that. Ninja Man was my favorite artist, so I always used to save money and buy like songs that were popular on the radio. Back in those days, you know what I mean, artists got their break on the radio because there was no internet around. Well, none that we know of, you know what I mean? So we heard him on the radio, but his flow was different than anything we had ever heard before as kids. Trust me, he created he's a legend. So yeah, we heard him on the radio and that's how I got introduced to Ninja Man. At the time, it wasn't old school. It was the trendy flow, the trendy style. Yeah.
Alright family, so next up in the review we have Nhance run a BOOM Sundays. Yeah man, the youth wall it and did it away around it. Nah like, love to see the young artists them growing a BOOM Sundays and deliver a good set, hold the crowd and keep them interested and keep them engaged and entertained. It was a good set by Nhance, shows that him a grown at the music and there's a lot more for him to achieve. Yeah man, full of potential. Check out the highlights people. Alright family, so that was the performance highlights from Nhance. Yeah man, run a Boom Sundays. You go on good, hold the ground and bully beef it, drape it up. Yeah man, the people were entertained, engaged and interested in the artist. You can clearly see that. Yeah man, so if you make it through to the end of the video, just want to thank you for watching, and also I'm just ask for a like or a share or even a comment on the video. Thanks again people, and stay tuned.